Okay, I have a question. What is the purpose of your yoga practice? What do you expect? Frankly tell me. When I say you, students also, what do they expect?
Healthy, good health, and healthy, good health.
Different persons have different aspects.
So what is general more?
More flexibility and more energetic.
Calm and present minds. Yoga is the relaxation, mind pleasure.
So are you liking Surya Namaskara?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Many practitioners practice Surya Namaskara daily, but they prefer fast Surya Namaskaras. We also teach slow Surya Namaskara. Slow means, example, each asana 5 breaths, Ujjayi breaths, or 9 breaths or 10 breaths in each asana. So basically it is very slow. So all the 12 asanas, you are going to breathe approximately 50 breaths. You will get the best benefits if you do like that. I will say benefits, physical benefits is better if you do slowly. Body toning, girls want body toning, na? Like ladies after marriage, after pregnancy, they want to lose fat, etc. Right? Best is to practice slowly. But people do not prefer. Yes or no? They want fast, they want sweating. If you do slowly, you don't get even one drop sweat. Because you are not moving, na? You are staying in that asana, each asana, Bhujangasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana. So, my recommendation is, first rule, remember, do not teach slow-paced Surya Namaskara for people who are depressed. People who are having mental disorders. When I say mental, is not madness. Mental means, disorders means lifestyle related, example, your stress. In present society we have tensions, anxiety, and anger. So all these mental disorders, do not teach slow. First rule, you must follow this. Second rule, yoga we call is inward journey. So recommend your students to close eyes. But warning. What is that warning? Hasta Uttanasana, eyes open. Otherwise, 100% they will fall. So, third modification, third instruction, when they are doing Hasta Uttana, don't ask them to arch back. Not necessary. Because bending back we are doing in Bhujangasana. So, slightly modify, like in Vinyasa we do. Breathe in, hands up, just look up. Ask them to look up. Not arching back. Because by mistake, if they close eyes, if they arch back, they will fall back. So modify this one, just hands up, lock them and look up. That's it, no arching. Am I clear? And by mistake, if they close eyes, they will fall, na? So to prevent that, what I am recommending, what we are following in Bodhi, only one breath in Hasta Uttanasana. Only one breath. By mistake, if they do also, the risk is reduced. Agree? So, remaining all asanas like Padahastasana, Ashvasanchalana, 5 breaths and eyes closed. So, Padahastasana, Ashvasanchalan, Adho Mukha Svanasana, and then Ashtangasana, Bhujangasana, Adho Mukha, Ashvasanchalan, Padahastasana. So 8 asanas. Phalakasana is there in between, right? So 9 asanas. So in 9 asanas, 5 breaths. So approximately 50 breaths you're doing. So next recommendation is, suppose Anish is coming last 2 months. He has stabilized. All his emotions are under control. So his senior practitioner teach this. Trust me, they will fall in love. Not only that, I say, you will start experiencing inner peace. You will start experiencing spiritual growth. See, yoga purpose is not physical fitness. I want peace. I have anger. Those are the side effects. The purpose of yoga is to upgrade our awareness levels. How are you finding 1 month over? Are you seeing any change? Some change is happening now. If you want more change, you close eyes and practice. So now, for people who are having mental these things, disorders, only for them, breath after breath, asana after asana. Am I clear? Any doubts? Please ask me. Anish, Shweta? No doubts?
So why do people say that means that stress should be moving slowly?
See, please understand. Understand. Somebody disturbed. They don't like that mind, doesn't like doing slow asanas. You try na. Understand yourself. Somebody disturbed, he will not. That is a traditional way of practicing yoga. They don't like traditional yoga. Why they join in Zumba classes? I'm sorry to say, the Zumba people. Check their characteristics, mostly disturbed only.
They want frustration.
It's good. Zumba good for them. Zumba, running, something very intense thing. Running or CrossFit, Tokka Fit, so many are there na. But we have Surya Namaskaras na. They don't need that. If they go there, they will further damage. Surya Namaskara, breath after, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Best for them. Eyes open, for them eyes open. So if you think that you have reached mentally a state where you are not frustrated too much, you are peaceful, then my recommendation is do Surya Namaskara, do some fast. 3-4 sets, do fast, and then 1 set. 1 set means how many? 100 Ujjayi breaths. You don't need to do special pranayama. So in the class, your Surya Namaskara 1 set, 100 Ujjayi breaths. You know how much time if you do slowly? It will take 20 to 30 minutes. I used to do 1 Surya Namaskara 45 minutes. But that is too much. For self-practice, you can do 1 hour, 2 hours. But students, if you do 1 hour only Surya Namaskara, they will not come to your class. Yes or no? So will you implement this in your classes? Yes. Please, you need to identify who is. Shall I tell you? Here I can tell who can do, who cannot do. Your eyeball reflects, your body language reflects. We show everything on face. You know that? Yes or no? So so that comes with practice. Each person has got their problem. Somebody says mother died. What to do? Yes, problem. Somebody says love failure. What to do? Somebody business problem. Sometimes they start some business which they don't know. So mostly we create our problems, na? Mostly. Like say death related things is not under our control. Mostly you won't start a business. Who told you to start that business? Like me, I started restaurant, zero knowledge. So restaurant means you should know how to cook. I forget about cooking. I can't tell taste also. Some people check the taste. Salt kam ho gaya. Chili, that also I cannot recognize. So that means I am unfit to start restaurant. So what I am saying, we create problems. So people will come with a lot of challenges. It's 30-40% people have relationship problems after marriage. See, now olden times we were in a peaceful state. Now our expectations are more. Wife wants something, husband wants something. Mental fellow, mother-in-law. Mother-in-laws, please forgive me. She wants something. After marriage, you leave your son and daughter na, let them live na. Why are you intervening in between? Happens or no? Not only mother-in-law, mother-in-law, I am telling to husband, think for a girl. You're thinking girl mother-in-law, na? No, I am saying boy's mother-in-law. Do you know the root cause for divorce, maximum divorce? This is my study. Girl's mother only. In olden days it was not so. Olden days once in 6 months send a letter. Now every 6 seconds. How are you? What is your husband doing? Oh, he's scolding you. Come back. Olden times, if they come, girl comes to home, they say, get out. Go back. Go and adjust. What I am saying, yes, they will come with a lot of problems. Help them. Guide them. I am telling you, the best practice in yoga path is slow-paced Surya Namaskaras. You will get peace. Body toning will happen. Fat melt also happen. Yeah? And your face will start glowing. You will start seeing energetic after that one Surya Namaskara. So will you implement this?
Yes.
So what I request every day, this is a homework for you. From tomorrow, do one set like this at home morning. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
And send me after doing that, send me, I have completed. I want to see.
Yes.
Now I have a reason why this homework I am giving. Yeah? Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Om Namah Shivaya.